everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts, and I am working on another Christmas gift. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off of here, and I'm actually going to leave that hole in there because that is where I am going to hang it. And I'm going to take this Folk Art medium gray acrylic paint just the top part of this right here. So I'm just going to take some paint and I'm just going to paint this top right here. Okay, I have that all painted. Then the next thing is I bought this placemat from Dollar Tree with the buffalo check. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this apart because there's two layers to this. And I'm just going to cut the end off here because it's all stitched. All right, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two layers apart here, and I'm gonna have to get all these little strings and everything out of here. Okay, so I have it all tore apart. I cut the two ends, and then I just took the stitching out of the other ends, and this should just come right off of here. And cut some strings so I don't wreck it. Okay, I have my placemat all apart, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to Mod Podge this onto my bulb form. So I'm just going to take my matte Mod Podge and I'm going to start Mod Podging my placemat onto here. So just going to stick a bunch of Mod Podge on there and then attached to there, and then I'm going to do this all the way down. Okay, my Mod Podge should be pretty dry on here. I took a heat gun to adhere it onto there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, and I am going to take my X-Acto knife and I am going to cut the fabric out around my bulb. Okay, I have my buffalo check on there, and now since I'm giving this as a gift, I am actually going to take the back of the placemat and I'm going to Mod Podge this to the back. Okay, I have the red all Mod Podged on the back of my ornament, so I'm going to take my X-Acto knife again and I am going to go around here and cut out the bulb. Okay, I have the back all cut out, and now what I'm going to do, just so I know that my fabric is going to stay on there, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and I'm actually going to go over, don't want to get any chunks in there, go right over my fabric here. Okay, so now I'm ready to start decorating. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my hanger. And I got these beads. I'm just going to leave them natural color. I'm not going to paint them. Those were off of other Dollar Tree signs. And I am going to string my beads on here like this. Okay, so I have some tape on here, and I am just going to stick this other end through the beads here. Of course, last one's got to give me problems. Okay, then I'm just going to get this tape off of here. And then this is going to be my hanger right here. And what I'm going to do, first I'm going to get these ends kind of even. These are just going to hang like this. I'm going to just put a little tie in here. Like that. And it's just going to hang like this. Okay, got my hot glue gun heated up, and I'm gonna get my beads hot glued together here so they stay, so they don't ride up the string. And the last one. All right, now we're gonna do the fun part, and we are gonna decorate our bulb. So my plan is I have this believe sign that I got at Dollar Tree. I don't really like how that looks, but I also have this that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put the believe on top of this on my sign here. and I may change this. It might not be the right size, but I'm gonna take some strings out here just at the end. And these strings I didn't really want out, but that one's kind of coming out. All right, so it looks pretty even there. Okay, so I have this where I want it. I'm a little afraid to use hot glue because I think it's gonna show through there. I should probably use Mod Podge, but I'm gonna try the hot glue. I'm just kind of pulling it. Because I'm gonna have hot glue on the back of this, so I think that's gonna help hold it down. I just don't want a lot of hot glue on here because I don't want it to show through this too bad. Okay, I have that on. Now I'm gonna put my Believe on there. So, just gonna try to go quick. Get some glue on here and then try to line it up. And hopefully it's good the first time I stick it on, because once it's on, it's on. Okay, I have my Believe on there. It's a little bit crooked, but that's all right. I'm not too worried about it. All right, then I got these ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna stick one of these on there. I think these are so pretty, but they're so big, so it's kind of hard to find projects to put them on. And I'm gonna stick this right onto here, but maybe if I just put a little bit on there, and then I'm gonna stick it right onto here. Okay, my snowflake is on there, and now I'm gonna dress up the top a little bit. So I have these picks that I got from Dollar Tree, the snow greenery, and these are gonna get glued on at my top, at the top here. I'm gonna have them coming off. So I'm just gonna stick some hot glue on here, and I'm gonna glue this down right at the top here, and then I'm gonna stick another one over here. And then I think I'm gonna stick these coming down like this right here. Stick that in there. And then I also have this pick that I got from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm gonna take this little pine cone right here, and he's gonna get stuck right up on the top here. I don't know if I wanna stick some berries on there or not. All right, so I am gonna get my pine cone glued on here. I'm not very good at centering things. I didn't get this very straight on here either. But, so I'm gonna stick that on there, and then I still have this up here, so I think I'm gonna take some berries. So I got these berry picks from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm just gonna pop them off and just stick them on the top up here. To kind of cover up the branches. Hot glue stuck to my nails. All right, I have my berries glued on there. I think that looks pretty good. Then I just have this chunk of a lint roller, and I'm just gonna take this real quick and just kind of dab up all the stuff that's around it that fell off of there. Clean it up a little bit, make sure I got all my glue strings off. But that is it. This Christmas gift is all finished. Well, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And take care. Bye.